Today we're going to look at the VIAIR portable pump. I believe that this is a model P400. It's a 300P, my mistake. What we're going to do today is we're going to see how long it takes to fill a 37-inch tire on a 16-inch rim. So let's get started. Working on the rig today. I'm cleaning the oil separator. Cleaning out the oil separator. This Toyota engine is supercharged. We put a TRD in this. So in order to make it easier to work on, I always let the air out of the tires completely. I use these Smitty-built tire deflators. We use these on the road quite often. I didn't have these when I went up to Ma Bell. I will next time. These work really, really well, and they're pretty much a must-have. You simply set them, screw them on, they'll bring all your tires down to a predetermined pressure, and you are good to go. So I have the compressor set up. The tire is at 0, as you can see. Let's see how long it takes to get it up to 40 pounds. It's been 1 minute and she's already getting up there. Now my intentions are to wire this in the back of the rig permanently with a 3-gallon air bottle next to it, so the tank will always be pressurized, and it should get her right back up on the road in no time flat. But the VIAIR 300P is doing a hell of a job right now. I mean, that was dead flat. And it's been 90 seconds. It's not running, but I'm using my auxiliary battery, which happens to be a brand new Optima yellow top, a number 35, I believe. It's a D35 model, wired in series with the IBS dual battery monitoring system. So far, we're under 3 minutes right now. There you go. 7 minutes later, and we are at 40 pounds. No sweat. The compressor's not hot. It hasn't shut itself down. That is pretty amazing, and that's a 300P series. And again, I will be building this into the rear drawer system I'm going to start working on today. I started the day out by trying to install the SLE off-road windshield wiper reservoir relocation kit, but I can't due to the TRD supercharger that we have installed in this truck. So I'm going to have to put the washer reservoir someplace else. But for right now, that is totally amazing. This thing filled up a 37-inch tire in 7 minutes flat. No pun intended. At any rate, Richie from Boston for the Toyota Land Cruiser channel. I am out.